welcome back to the Daily Charme channel. I'm Catherine of Case Polish, and today we're talking about gem and charms application. In this video, I'm going to be using the long ivory coffin tips from the Charm Gel extension system. And I'm going to hold the tips using the mermaid tip holder, also available on the Daily Charme website. The color I will be using on the tips for this video is Charm Gel number 305 Sweet Dreams. So I will apply one thin coat and then cure using the Daily Charme Lit Mini. Now, when we talk about applying crystals and gems, you want to have this one tool, which is the Daily Charme Pink Crystal Pickup Tool. On one side, it has a wax tips, which helps to pick up the rhinestones or crystals, and the other side will help you to move the rhinestones into place once on the nail. Now, for our first demonstration here, we are going to be using a selection of flatback Swarovski crystals. I'm also going to be using this little sorting tray, which makes life a lot easier when working with crystals. Now for the first step, we will be applying a small amount of the Stay Put jelly in a tube onto the nail. Once you have your crystals in place, you go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds in your LED lamp. Here I'm using the Daily Charme Lit Mini, and you continue with the same process until you have all of your crystals on the nail. Next, I'm going to be using the Daily Charme 2-in-1 Seal It Up Gel Pen. When you unscrew the cap, you get this teeny tiny brush, which is perfect to go around all of your crystals. This way you are sure they stay there and they are not going to go anywhere. Also, make sure you do not go over the crystals to not damage the shine of it, but really go around them. Cure again for 60 seconds. Now, when instead of unscrewing the cap, you just unclip it, you get access to the precision applicator. On the side of the gel pen, you also have a tiny needle that you can put in to the tip to make sure it is not clogged. You want to use this applicator when you have little corners where the little brush does not get. Cure for another 60 seconds and continue with your favorite top coat. Here I'm using the Diamond Shine top coat. Cure again and voila! Now let's go through the same steps but using pointed back crystals. Add your Stay Put jelly, your crystal, and cure. And repeat the same steps until, in this case, you're happy with your crystal cluster. Seal everything with the Seal It Up gel pen and cure. Then top coat, cure, and you're done. For today's last demonstration, we're going to apply one of these cute little charms. Then again, you'll go through the same steps, starting with the Stay Put jelly. Add your crystal, cure, seal, and cure again. And to finish, you top coat it and cure it. And here we have our 3 little creations of the day.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned a lot and that you enjoyed it. Definitely consider subscribing to this channel, Daily Charme, as well as mine, Case Polish. I will wish you a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!